Back again. Ooh, who's talking?
Oh, hey, Bill.
It's Brad. And yes, if it's Brad and we're in Marquette County, we must be at Lake X. Secret little lake, one of our favorite little fishing lakes here in Marquette County. I don't know, kind of in the Westfield, Oxford, whatever part of Chicago. But we're gonna go fish for some bass, and sunny, bright. We're gonna see if we can catch something. So next time you see us, we'll be out on the water, hopefully slaying some bass. Look at that shirt Brad's wearing today. Nice, very, very nice. Okay, catch you later. All right, as promised, we have arrived on the scene. Brad is putting his first cast into some fishy looking area. We're by the dam and the fun has begun. Brad, you should be wearing a hat. Okay, I worry about it. Oh, brush hog. Fish on. Oh, and it's fighting me, Brad. Fighting me. First fish of the day. First fish of the day.
I had one on.
Brad had one on. Oh, it's okay. Sorry. He's going to be in that 13 to 14 range, I think. Well, maybe the 12. Yeah, Brad had a better one on, but that's our start. Look where that brush hog is, Brad. Down there. He just smacked it and he wanted it. Where is he? He's in the weeds. Yeah, he was right in the shade, Brad. This is a little better, I think, than the first one. This is a little bit better. A little bit better, I think.
Yeah.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Don't lose it.
Camera on you?
I think so.
Yeah, I told you, cast it into that shade.
Brad told me to cast into that shade, and of course he's right. That's a nice one. Chunky. Oh! Yeah, you got drag singing. Brad's drag is singing. Do you? I don't have a net. I don't have a net. Oh, decent. Look at him go. Look at him coming in. Whoa! Brad's on the board. Maybe the drag was set a little light. Yeah, you got him. That's all that matters. Maybe not. Maybe I do. I do.
You do, baby.
I do have a bite. Oh! Oh! He's a little acrobat. Emphasis on the word little. But another fish. Another one. Another one that, like that brush hog, probably too good, too much. It's been quite a drought. It's been a drought. Don't know what it is. I think it's a bass. It doesn't feel like a gator. I don't think it's a gator. It's a bass. It's a bass. It's a bass. Finally.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, down way on the other end of the lake, a little later in the day of Lake X here in Marquette County. And that's probably the small fish of the day. But it broke a drought, and hopefully things are going to start picking up here in the evening. Pike! 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 Northern! Northern! No, I don't have one. Oh gosh, I was just kind of, yeah, it's like our first northern of the day. He hit kind of right by the boat, Brad. Oh geez, oh geez. We'll get him in here. Look at all those teeth. Look at all those teeth he's got. Oh no. Okay. Okay, we got him. Want to give him a kiss? No, me neither. Well, there he goes.
Is that on camera?
Yeah, I think so. Hence the name Snot Rocket. Brad just got something on a buzzbait. Oh! I see him. I see him coming. He's water skiing, but he looks pretty big actually.
I remember standing on a corner at midnight.
Bradley, that's a pretty good bat. Ooh, ooh, I'll try. Yes!
There was this long leather dancer
There you go.
downtown.
Nice. We're gonna get your picture with that one for sure.
Watch her do her stuff.
For sure. Oh my God!
I'm gonna tell my tale, come on.
That's the biggest. You got your drag set good? This is the biggest bass we've ever seen at this lake ever. This is the biggest bass we've ever seen on this lake. Drag set good? Okay. He's coming. He's gonna tire. That's a giant bass. I don't have it. I don't have it. Ow, I don't have it. I got it. It's huge. It's huge. Okay, it's huge. I'm gonna lay it down. Here, grab your fish. I don't know, grab your fish. You got it? Got it tight? Oh my God. Grab it. I'm gonna turn off the motor. We just made a day. We just made a day. Let's see how long that bad boy.
Well, it's 21.
That's 21 inches. That's 21 inches. You said there was a 22-incher in here. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start up this live well here. Okay, let's breathe a little. Breathe. I wish I would have got that on. Oh my God. Oh my God, Brad.
A new inch difference.
21 inch on Lake X.
Lake X and
Marquette. We've never seen a fish like that before on this lake. Okay, we're gonna just put him in the live well and then we're gonna take some pictures just real quick. I'm even bleeding. I'm bleeding a little bit, but I don't care. He spined me. He spined me a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take a picture. We just made a day. Wow, we just made a day.
21. Matt.
A big 21. That's a huge fish. Okay.
Measured it.
Of your life?
Biggest here.
Yes, we both. I caught it my 21 inch. You got a 21 inch largemouth on Lake X, right by the boat. Wow. Oh, wow. I didn't think there was one that big in here. Okay, I'm going to shut this down. We're going to take some pictures and stuff. Congratulations, Brad.
Thank you.
Okay, we're going to try and take Brad's picture, but I need to get this big gal out of the live well. Oh my gosh, it is so big. It is so big. It is so big. Look at that mouth. Look at that thing. Okay. It's a two-hander. 1, 2, ready. Let him go, Brad. Let him go. Wait 1 second. 1 second. Okay, he's kissing. There we go. It's going in the water. Oh. We'll just.
Oh, he's gone.
He's gone. All right. And that's that. He's gone. Okay, do we fish anymore or is that it? How about it? Brad, if that's the last fish of the day, if that's the last fish of the day, we had quite a day, didn't we? All right, well, folks, you just saw one of the great episodes that we're probably going to have. And Brad is the star of the show. So we're gonna probably say so long from Lake X, but a buzzer beater by Brad to end the day with a huge personal best fish. 21 inches. All right, well, we'll see you whenever, but it probably won't be as good as this one. Bye-bye.
No use of you running or screaming and crying, 'cause you've got a home as long as I've got mine.
Just if I don't get a bite like right here, I would just like to, I don't know, write my congressman or something.
He's gonna come out here and put fish in there?
I don't know. Should.
So you know we got stumps all around.
Yeah, I just think I ran into.
There, now you can leave your congressman.
I don't have to write my congressman.